Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Mont-Saint-Hilaire, Quebec, is a charming town, about 30 kilometers east of Montreal, on the banks of the Richelieu River. The town is named after Mount Saint-Hilaire, a beautiful mountain that's part of the Montérégie Hills. The mountain stands out in the landscape, and is a big part of why this area is so special. Mount Saint-Hilaire is more than just a pretty view. It's a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, which means it's recognized for its rich biodiversity and protected nature. The mountain is home to hiking trails, peaceful forests, and rare plants and animals. Mont-Saint-Hilaire was originally home to the Abenaki people, who lived here long before European settlers arrived. In the 1700s, French settlers came to the region, and the town began to grow. Today, Mont-Saint-Hilaire is a peaceful town that combines history and nature. The Richelieu River offers opportunities for boating and relaxing by the water, while the town itself has a warm, welcoming feel. You'll find quaint shops, cafes, and places to enjoy local food. One of the best things about Mont-Saint-Hilaire is its commitment to conservation. The Galt Nature Reserve, managed by McGill University, protects much of the mountain and its surroundings. This reserve ensures that future generations can enjoy this beautiful place just as much as we do today. Thanks for joining us as we explore Mont-Saint-Hilaire, Quebec. Whether you're here for the natural beauty, the history, or just a peaceful escape from the city, this place has something for everyone.